Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. The price line of SLP has broken down very significant support zone that was not broken down since after May 2021, and in today's video we will analyze whether the price line will have a reversal from here and whether it will be able to break out this resistance or it will be move more down from here. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis, and this is the daily time frame chart. And I've been showing you that here we have a very strong support zone that starts from approximately 6 cents and goes to 5.5 cents. And the price line never ever broke down this support. You can see that the price line tested this support zone here in the month of May, and again tested this support here in the month of September. And this test was also in the September. Then again, price line tested this support here in the month of October, and again tested this support here in the month of November. And right now the price line a few days back has broken down this support finally and tested the previous support as a resistance. You can see we have a long spike here. It tested the previous support as a resistance and confirmed this breakdown, and here the price action found another support that is approximately at 3.5 cents. If I place this support line here, then we can see that the price line is being accumulated here. For example, if the price line will have a reversal, then you can see that here we are also having a formation of a double bottom as well. So the right time, what can be the right time to enter in SLP? In my last video I told you that SLP is forming the different resistance, and after breaking out the resistance, the downtrend line resistance levels, it is starting the next rallies. Let me show you the previous rallies. For example, here we had the previous resistance. The price action found this resistance here, and after breaking out this resistance, the price line started the next rally. And same as like this, the price line also found another resistance here that was in the month of September 2021, and after breaking out we had the next rally. And here right now the price line has found a very long-term resistance. You can see that this resistance is started in November, in the first week of November on this daily time frame, and even this long spike is also reached up to this resistance level, and the price line is still moving below this resistance. Once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, that can be the perfect time to enter the SLP for big gains. And if we take a look at this, the RSI oscillator, then we can see that RSI has also entered the oversold zone. Therefore, we can expect that soon the price line can make another attempt, like it's forming, it is making different attempts again and again to break out this resistance. Then it can make another attempt after this, even after this double bottom formation, to break out this resistance. But unless the price line does not break out this resistance, we cannot expect any big move by SLP token. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.